Hey, Will here. So, does Etsy do print on demand? Well, the answer is yes. Through what's called production partners on Etsy, you can do print on demand. So, here's an article right from there. And if we open that in a new tab, I'll show you. So, basically, what they say is a production partner is a company or individual who's not part of your Etsy shop that helps physically produce items based on your own original designs. Examples of production services include, but are not limited to, fine art, apparel printing, 3D printing, cutting, sewing, casting, plating, and engraving. Production partners do not include your own shop members or suppliers from whom you source ready-made products to resell. So the key here is this: original designs. This is how we can do print on demand with Etsy, because we're doing original designs. So all that stuff, the image files that we make, we're not just copying somebody else and putting it up there, right? So they also say handmade items produced with a production partner must abide by our handmade policy. We require sellers using production assistants to transparently share this information on the applicable listing. Some reasons that you might work with a production partner include: you don't have the equipment or technical ability to manufacture items you've designed. For example, like coffee mugs. If you don't have the the stuff to print and ship and package those mugs, then you can use a production partner. Or your business is growing and you need help keeping up with the quantity of orders that you're receiving. Learn more about Etsy's ethical expectations for sellers who work with production partners, and then how to add it. So this is key. So there's a couple ways to add production partner. While you're adding or editing a listing, you can add one in the production partner section. So there's actually a section right in there where you can do that. Or in the listing section of Shop Manager, select at least one listing and choose editing options, then change the production partners. So you can add it when you're listing, or you can edit that later, or you can create a production partner profile in the production partner manager. So they say in Shop Manager, click on settings, then click on production partners, select add new production partner, fill out the form telling Etsy the community about your partnership. The information not marked private will be shared publicly in your shop. Next to production partner, enter the partner's business name. Etsy requires that you disclose a business name, but you can choose to keep this private in your shop. In that case, you'll enter a public title such as apparel printer. That describes what kind of business they are. So this is great because you don't really want to show your suppliers, especially if you're in a highly competitive business, because you will have some Etsy sellers that actually take that information and use it against you. And so they might go to your supplier and start doing business with them too, which is eating into your market. So Etsy thought of that already. And then it says enter your partner's city, state, province. As you type, select from the list that appears. And then in the About Production Partner field, describe how you work with them. This public information can include why you chose this partner and the types of services they provide for you. The answers you select in the About Your Partnership drop-down menus are only for Etsy's internal use. They won't show up publicly. And then preview how that looks in your About section. So you'll see a part with the production partner and all the information listed. And then it's got all the other information on there. After you disclose, so if they have any questions about that, they're going to ask you. So the key to it all is say this: they're original designs. I just don't have the equipment in order to manufacture all the orders. That's what Etsy wants to hear, and that means that you can do Etsy with print on demand. So this is how you do it. That's how you set it up on your shop. So go ahead and do that. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and visit the site, visit the forums, or not the forums, visit the group too, ppc-coach.com/group, and we'll see you later. Have a great day.